Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm going to be unboxing your July Teacher Care Crate, and it's a fun one for all your summer needs. Well, of course, when you receive your box, you're going to open it and you're going to be greeted with all the fun, which includes your special info card, which explains all the fun this month. And this July box is a collab with Jackie Cone Ink, and the theme is In My Teacher Vacay Era. So a fun one for sure. Love the colors, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. It comes with all the details, plus your digital downloads, and I will go through that at the very end of the video, so stay tuned. So the first one, of course, is your art print of the month. It's bright, it's colorful, In My Teacher Vacay Era, and on the back, she also designed another fun feature. So you have two options to choose from to hang up in your classroom or at home. You're also going to get your 2 teacher stickers. The first one says it's giving teacher on vacation vibes, and your second one is Alexa, remind me to take attendance, which is perfect for your laptop or your water bottle for the school year. You're also going to get a fun magnet, again, a fun bright colored teacher patch kind of design. Love this one. And you're also going to get a On My Way to Teach My Favorite People keychain. Love the bright colors and the gold detail for that one. You're also going to get your jewelry organizer, perfect for your travel needs. I love how soft it is, the color, and the gold detail. And when you zip it open, it's perfect for organizing all your jewelry, your earrings, your necklaces, your bracelets, and to hold a few other things here. Perfect, it's lightweight and perfect to throw into your luggage. Love the colors. You're also going to get a special pill box, and it says, if you're reading this, please remind me to take my meds. It's a very cute heart. It's a magnetic closure, and it has different compartments that you can easily just snap open, but it could also hold your fun, tiny beauty tools that you need to. Again, just throw that right into your purse or your travel needs. You're also going to get these fun colored teacher jotter pen set from Jackie Cone Ink, and the pens are all different bright colors but also have fun things on them, like it's giving cool teacher vibes, and this is your reminder to take attendance, so perfect for your classroom or at home, or throw it in your teacher bag. And the last thing that you're going to get is this gorgeous Jackie Cone Ink designed packing list, and don't forget reminders. So you have a whole new notepad for the month. Love it. I think it's great. Also great to use in your classroom if you need those extra reminders there. So love the colors, love the box this month. Again, all of this was designed by Jackie Cone Ink, and it's all the fun that you need for your summer, but it doesn't stop there, because you also have your fun printables of the month. You have your July calendar, you're going to have your weekly planner, you also have fun vacay lists that you can help get you packed and organized for the summer, and you also are going to get some fun puzzles like word searches and fun for kids and adults. So definitely check out all the fun in your July box this summer, teacher friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe and tell us what your favorite thing is from this box, and don't forget to come back next month to check out our August box. Bye, have a great summer.